Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Hub. I hope you all are doing good. Today we will learn the epithet of Nagaland districts. Well, there are a total of 17 districts in Nagaland, and the epithets of those districts are as follows. 1. Kohima, 1st District. 2. Dimapur, commercial hub and melting point of Nagaland. 3. Mokokchung, land of pioneers. 4. Mon, land of Ang. 5. Pek, land of traditions. 6. Tunsang, land of culture. 7. Wokha, land of plenty. 8. Sonopoto, land of warriors. 9. Peren, green district. 10. Longleng, land of handicrafts. 11. Kifri, aspirational districts. 12. Newland, land of diversity. 13. Chamukidima, land of opportunity. 14. Seminyo, historical district. 15. Shamator, brotherhood district. 16. Noklak, frontier district. 17. Miluri, land of fortunes. If you like my video, then please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.